wala pong knowledge yung mga co-students ko sa aming school tungkol sa mga contraceptions. Sa barangay po namin, may mga nababalitaan po akong mga kabataang nabubuntis. So, very important po na magkaroon ng ganitong mobile facility sa Catbalogan para po ma-lessen yung mga nangyayaring teenage pregnancy po.
According to the Young Adult Fertility Sexuality Survey 2021, Eastern Visayas is one of the regions that has the most number of pregnant women at the time of the study.
The AFHF Mobile Health Unit provides services, health services and medical services such as general examinations, assessments for the adolescents.
So this joint program is actually to accelerate the reduction of teen pregnancies within Samar and Southern Leyte. Therefore, our major clients are actually young people. And at the same time, they are the partners of this joint program. So we're bringing them in to make sure that the specifications and the functions and how the track will be brought to the areas is according to how they actually see young people would be interested to access.
Ban blessed. Siyempre, kami ayudan adididiyan na kami ang nag-design. Ipapakita man itong sa akuan gihapon sa aton lugar.
I-spread ko po na parang may mga doon, pwede doon magpakonsulta or pwede ka doon ilabas mo yung mga nararamdaman mo para po malayo po sila sa gano'n na sitwasyon, like mabuntis ng maaga, para maging po sila, maging aware po sila kung ano po yung dapat at hindi dapat na gawin.